okay, Halfpenny's prediction has been coming true for the last 14 years. That's what the chart clearly shows. Okay, number one. Number two, we can have relatively accurate data on what global distribution of wealth is. And number three, we know verifiably how many Bitcoins there are. And so in my thread, what I did is, okay, what if we combine these three things? And CK, as you know, the math is just absurd. It's completely mind-boggling. And I think that's one of the reasons why I went so viral, is because it's not just moon math. It's taking current estimations of current trends and extrapolating them to what could this eventually look like at some unknown date. And that's one of the things I try to do. There are a lot of hyper bullish people in coin, and I really try to steer away from giving exact dates. Now I think that's something intentional I'm doing. But at first I didn't do that purely because I know that it's probably going to age really poorly. So I have no idea how quickly things happen. But just doing the math, if you have 5.36 billion adults, you have say 100 million companies with decently large balance sheets, you have 10,000 large corporations in the world, you have 200 nation states, and 3,000 billionaires. I mean, you do the math, you do distribution between the 2 million bitcoins left, and then another theoretical 2 million bitcoins over the next 117 years that are going to be put onto the market. I mean, if you divide 5 billion of anything by 4 million, and the underlying amount becomes absurd. So the long answer short, your question of how did I become this bullish, it's not because I'm trying to reach here. It's just I looked at the charts and I did the math,